This scooter's getting picked up tomorrow, so I just wanted to run everyone through what I've done to it. I bought it as a box of parts. I was assured by the seller that there was everything there that we needed to get it running. It was just the frame and the bottom end cases that were usable. Everything else had to be turfed. So everything else is new. So I rebuilt the engine, all new internals. It's got a brand new clutch. It's running a SIP-vape 12 volt AC system. It's got a Polini 177 cylinder. I've raised the exhaust port ever so slightly. It's got the Seiggiorno style brakes on front and back, so it stops really well. All new cabling. I built the wiring harness. What else is there? This fancy SIP Sport seat. But yeah, now I'll start it up.